Yogurt for acid reflux. Acid reflux is an intestinal problem which is caused by the failure of the lower esophageal sphincter, when it gets contract after swallowing food. This can cause stomach acid to regurgitate up into the esophagus, creating a lot of discomfort and a burning sensation behind the breastbone. This condition can result in heartburn, nausea, chest pain, difficulty in swallowing, etc. Yogurt is a natural food that is widely used to alleviate the symptoms of heartburn or acid reflux. It has a soothing effect which cures the irritation, pain or discomfort caused by acid reflux. Is yogurt good for acid reflux? Yogurt can help to cure acid reflux due to the following properties. It is a cool, smooth and alkaline food that has soothing effect on the esophagus. It contains probiotics, a form of beneficial bacteria that are found in the digestive tract. This also helps to boost the immune system for overall health. It is used for the proper absorption of proteins and nutrients by the body. It is a protein source which is very useful in the prevention of acid reflux as it properly digests the food. It is a good source of calcium which helps to strengthen the muscles in the lower esophagus. It reduces the inflammation, the formation of gas in the intestine, improves intestinal motion and also reduces the pain and discomfort. 1. Yogurt with ginger. One of the best home remedies for acid reflux is ginger because of its digestive juices and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps for better digestion and cures the irritation and inflammation in the esophagus by absorbing stomach acids and aids in proper digestion. Yogurt when mixed with ginger absorbs the required proteins and nutrients from the food. Ingredients: yogurt, 1 cup. Fresh ginger root. Process: wash fresh ginger piece and peel off the skin. Grate it or cut it into small pieces and mix into 1 cup of yogurt. Consume this regularly to prevent acid reflux. 2. Yogurt. Ingredient: yogurt, 1 cup. Process: consume 1 cup of low-fat, plain yogurt. Regularize the habit of taking this yogurt for at least once or twice a day. 3. Yogurt and fruit smoothies. Yogurt and fruit smoothie is a quick, easy and effective way to get all the required nutrients from the fruits and yogurt for proper health of digestive system. They are easily digested without causing any heartburn or acid reflux, and they taste good. Ingredients: yogurt, 1/2 cup. Banana, 1. Strawberries, 1/2 cup. Pineapples, 1/4 cup. Mango, 1/4 cup. Peach, 1. White sugar or honey, 1 to 2 teaspoons. Milk, 1 to 2 teaspoons. Process: peel the skin off the banana, mango, pineapple and cut the fruits into pieces. Place these fruits and yogurt in blender and blend until smooth. Add honey or white sugar and stir well. Ice or frozen fruits can be added to iced smoothie. Drink this regularly. 4. Yogurt in cereal and fruits. Intake of yogurt with cereal and other fruits provides all the essential nutrients that are required by the body. Have this in the morning to kickstart your body for the day. Ingredients: low-fat Greek yogurt, 1 cup. Bran flakes or fiber-rich cereals, 1 cup. Fruits, 2/3 cup. Honey, 1 to 2 teaspoon. Takeout container or serving dish. Process: cut up fresh fruits like kiwi, nectarines, plums, berries, etc. Divide cereal or bran flakes among 2, 1 and 1/2 cup serving dishes. Add yogurt over the cereals, then add the fruits. Drizzle with honey and consume in the morning regularly. 5. Yogurt with strawberries and pistachios. Yogurt is an alkaline food which helps to prevent acid reflux, and strawberries are low in acid, less acidic content, which also eases acid reflux and heartburn. Nuts like pistachios are also used in the treatment of acid reflux. Follow this combinational process to get rid of acid reflux. Ingredients: yogurt, 1 large container, or 16 ounces. Fresh strawberries, 1 pound. Honey, 2 to 3 teaspoons. Unsalted roasted pistachios, 1/4 cup. Process: Chop strawberries and pistachios into fine pieces. Stir in yogurt and strawberries and drizzle it with honey. Sprinkle with chopped pistachios and consume. Repeat about once or twice a week. 6. Yogurt with honey. One of the recommended home remedies for acid reflux is honey, as it soothes and heals damaged tissues. Ingredients: yogurt, low fat, plain, 1 cup. Honey, 1 tablespoon. Process: stir together low fat and plain yogurt and honey. Consume this as soon as acid reflux symptoms occur. 7. Yogurt with flax seed. Flax seed is rich in fiber, which allows food to easily be digested and neutralizes the acid level in the intestine. Process: stir 1 cup of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of ground flax seed. Consume to get a soothing effect on the stomach. Regular intake will help with this problem. 8. Yogurt with lemon juice and ginger. This combination of yogurt with ginger herb and lemon juice helps to reduce the acid reflux symptoms effectively. Ingredients: yogurt, 1 cup. Lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. Ginger, grated, 1 teaspoon. Process: mix yogurt, fresh lemon juice and ground ginger. Eat this mixture regularly. Note: use low-fat Greek yogurt to get complete relief from acid reflux. Greek yogurt for acid reflux. Greek yogurt contains less lactose-containing liquid than regular yogurt. It is low in fat and can be used in cooking, however make sure that you don't consume too much or it can make the problem worse. Check here how to say Greek yogurt to treat acid reflux. 1. Greek yogurt. Consume thick 1 cup of Greek regularly on its own, or use in your cooking. 2. Greek yogurt parfait with granola raspberries. Ingredients: low-fat Greek yogurt, 6 cups. Granola, 5 cups. Candied ginger, 2 tablespoons. Raspberries, 1 and 1/2 cups. Dried cherries, 1 cup. Honey. Large resealable bag. Trifle. Process: finely chop the candied ginger and coarsely chop dried cherries. Mix these with granola. Pour yogurt in a large resealable bag and snip off the end. Pipe a 1-inch thick layer of yogurt into the bottom of 4-quart trifle dish, which is 7 1/2 inch in diameter and 5 inches deep. Top with raspberries and drizzle with honey. Add 3 cups of the granola mixture. Layer again with yogurt and raspberries. Garnish with sliced candied ginger and drizzle with honey. When consumed, this will help with acid reflux, but only have this occasionally. Best yogurt for acid reflux. To help you find the right yogurt, use the following information. It should be low-fat or fat-free yogurt. Plain yogurt is generally free from added sugars rather than flavored. If you prefer plain yogurt, you can naturally sweeten up with non-acidic fruits like peaches, berries or melon etc. Use yogurt that has live-in active cultures and also which is high in friendly bacteria called probiotics. Helps to maintain the balance between the good and bad bacteria. Frozen yogurt for acid reflux. Generally, yogurt is filled with probiotics, which is good for the digestive and intestinal tract, and the fact that the frozen has soothing effect. However, make sure not to top with sugary toppings. Tips and precautions. Taking probiotic supplements can also get rid of acid reflux. Consume with water for more effective results. Acidic foods tend to erode the esophagus and that further leads to inflammation. Yogurt also comes under acidic foods, so only take the recommended amount. Pregnant, breastfeeding women and children can get instant relief from heartburn by consuming yogurt in limited quantity. For more effective results, consume 1/2 cup of low-fat frozen after a large meal to aid indigestion. Those who are allergic or sensitive to dairy products should avoid yogurt remedies. Do not consume high-fat yogurt as it increases the acid reflux symptoms. Also avoid yogurt which has artificial sweeteners and other additives. These remedies can take 4 to 7 days to show effective results. Consult your healthcare provider if you don't get relief from acid reflux after following these remedies.